Good morning everybody and welcome to today's challenge. But it isn't just today's challenge. Now, because it's Easter, we're going to do something a little bit different. From now on, the challenges will be set for a week. So you'll have a week to take part in the challenges, and there won't necessarily be daily challenges. We will sprinkle some other little things in there in the middle as well, some other little videos, but there won't be every single day. So this challenge that I'm going to set you today starts today and goes all the way through till next Monday at midday. And in case you haven't guessed by my attire, it's the English department, no it's not really, it's the science department who've set today's challenge. So let's have a listen to them explain the rules.
Hi all, this is the Science Daily Challenge. Miss?
We would like you to find a science experiment that you can do safely at home with your parent or carer.
Please make it safe. No fire, no bleach, no viruses.
Make sure you record it, make sure it's exciting.
Now for my home experiment, completed fully at home, this is my house, I decided to see if I could turn this paintbrush into a wand. Let's see how I did. Accio, fire! Okay, so there you have it. There is your first Easter week challenge. You have until 12 noon next week to see what experiment you can come up with. Please film yourselves and send it to pastoral@thegrangeacademy.co.uk or upload on Instagram or Twitter and tag us in it. Good luck everyone, stay safe.